In this video, I am going to explain methods of non-destructive testing. The most commonly used methods for non-destructive testing are liquid penetrant test and magnetic particle inspection. First, let's discuss about liquid penetrant test. In liquid penetrant test, the first step is to clean the specimen material which is given to us. For that, we can use cleaning solution. It will remove all the grease, dust, oil, and there is nothing left to block the flow of penetrant after cleaning. The second, the second step is to apply the penetrant on the surface. It can be sprayed in aerosol form or can be applied by brushing in liquid form. After allowing the penetrant, allow it to dry for 10 minutes. As soon as the penetrant dry, we can move on to our third step. The third step involves the cleaning of the penetrant. This step is to remove excess of the penetrant applied. We can wipe it with dry cloth. We can spray cleaner on the towel and then wipe, not directly on the specimen, as it wipes the penetrate which is deep inside the cracks. So we have to only apply on the cloth and not directly on the specimen. After cleaning the specimen, we can move to step 4, which is applying the developer. Before applying the developer, we should shake the can well so that it mixes thoroughly. After that, keeping the specimen at a distance of 10 inches, you have to spray the developer on the required area of testing, and it should be not very thick. It should be optimum layer which we can observe from our naked eye. Then the last step is to detect the cracks. The deeper the color of the penetrant, the darker the crack is. Now we move magnetic particle inspection. In this we have a magnetic yoke, and we have to whether the magnetic yoke is capable of holding our particle which we are going to test. Next, we have to check the light level according to the optimum requirement. There is a meter available in which it measures the light intensity in terms of lux. So we can see in the meter it is 1250 lux, which is optimum light required for the testing. Next, we have to magnetize the material. For this, if we magnetize, and then we have to check the material is magnetized or not. For that, we use shems, which are used to check the magnetic field applied is perfect or not for the testing. So the holding the magnetic yoke on the material and then spraying the magnetic particles, we can see, if we spray, we can see some lines forming on the shems. This indicates that the magnetization of the test specimen is perfect. This 3 lines is showing that the material is ready for testing further using magnetic particle inspection. Confirming the material is properly magnetized, we need to check the presence of flaws. For this, we need two contrasting colors of sprays. First, we have to take the spray and shake it well and apply on the area on which we are going to test. We should not spray too much of colors, so it will affect our results accuracy. So you should just apply optimum amount of spray on the required area. After that, we have to magnetize the material again using our magnetic yoke, which was shown in the start of the testing. After that, if we spray some magnetic powders, which are, as said earlier, which are in contrasting color, we can easily detect the presence of flaws, as the magnetic particles will attract towards the flaw and get concentrated at the point where the flaw is present.